Tubi should be easy to use on a smart TV, but if the app is not showing, not installing, not opening, buffering, freezing, showing an activation code problem, or saying unable to load app, then this guide will help you fix it step by step. In this video, I will show you how to install Tubi on your smart TV from the App Store, how to set it up the right way, and how to fix the most common Tubi problems on smart TVs, Android TV, Google TV, Roku, Fire TV, Samsung, LG, Vizio, Hisense, and other supported devices. You can also use Tubi without signing up, but signing in is helpful if you want to save your favorites, continue watching, and sync your watch list across devices. Before you search for Tubi again and again, first check if your smart TV or streaming device supports Tubi. Tubi works on many supported devices, including Samsung Smart TV, LG Smart TV, Vizio Smart TV, Hisense Smart TV, Android TV, Google TV, Roku, Fire TV, Apple TV, PlayStation, Xbox, Chromecast, and web. Also remember that Tubi availability can depend on your country or region. If Tubi is not available in your location, the app may not appear in the App Store, or it may install but fail to load properly. Now, install Tubi the normal way from your TV App Store. From your TV home screen, open the App Store or search option. Search for Tubi clearly, then select the Tubi app from the search results. After that, choose Download, Get, Install, or Add channel, depending on your device. Wait for the installation to finish, then open the app and check if it loads. If Tubi is not showing in the App Store, first make sure you're searching the correct name, which is Tubi. After that, check if your TV software is updated. Restart your TV and search again. Also make sure your TV is signed into its App Store account if your device requires it. Some app stores may ask you to log in or verify account details before downloading apps, but Tubi itself is free. If Tubi still does not appear, then your device, TV model, software version, or region may not be supported. On Android TV or Google TV, if the Play Store says the app is not compatible, the issue is usually device compatibility or region availability, not just internet. If Tubi downloads but does not open, close the Tubi app completely and open it again. When you open it, look for the Tubi splash screen and see if the app loads normally. If it still does not open, restart your smart TV or streaming device from settings. If that does not work, unplug the TV or streaming device from the power outlet for a few seconds, then plug it back in. After that, open Tubi again and test it. If Tubi says unable to load app or asks you to check your connection, first test another app on the same TV. This will help you confirm if the internet is working or not. If other apps also fail, restart your router and reconnect your TV to Wi-Fi. If only Tubi is failing, restart the Tubi app and the TV. Also check whether Tubi is available in your region. If Tubi itself is having a temporary service issue, then you may need to try again later. If Tubi is buffering, freezing, or showing poor video quality, the issue can be network congestion or too many devices using the same internet. Pause any downloads, disconnect extra devices if possible, or stop streaming on other devices for a while. If your router is far from the TV, move it closer if you can. If your TV supports Ethernet, you can also use a wired connection. Then restart your router, reopen Tubi, and test the same video again. If only one movie or show will not play, try playing another movie or show on Tubi. If other videos play normally, then the problem is not with your TV or internet. In that case, the issue may be with that specific title. You can choose another title or report the problem to Tubi support. If Tubi is still acting slow or not working properly, check for updates. Go to your App Store and see if the Tubi app has an update available. After that, go to your TV settings and check for a system or firmware update. Once the updates are installed, restart your TV and open Tubi again. If the app is slow, stuck, or keeps crashing, clear the app cache if your TV or Android TV device gives that option. If you do not see a clear cache option, uninstall Tubi and reinstall it from the App Store. After reinstalling, open the app again and sign in if needed. If you're having an activation code or sign-in problem, open Tubi on your TV and go to Sign In from the left side menu. Your TV will show an activation code. Now open a browser on your phone or computer and go to the Tubi activation page. Sign in or create an account, then enter the code shown on your TV screen. If the code does not work, refresh the code on the TV, make sure you typed it correctly, and try again. If Tubi works without signing in, but sign-in fails, you can still browse and watch Tubi without an account. But if you want to save favorites, use your watch list, or continue watching across devices, then sign in properly using the activation code method. If account login is failing, try signing in from a phone or computer first, then activate Tubi on the TV again. If Tubi shows a DRM, protected content, or playback rights error, start by updating the Tubi app. Then restart the app, restart your TV or streaming device, and reset the network connection. After that, try a different movie or show. If you are using a streaming device through HDMI, unplug and reconnect the HDMI cable. You can also try another HDMI port or another HDMI cable. If there is a receiver or sound system between the streaming device and the TV, connect the streaming device directly to the TV and test again. If Tubi is still not working properly on the built-in smart TV app, the built-in app may be slow or unstable, especially on an older TV. In that case, try using Tubi through a supported streaming device like Roku, Fire TV, Android TV, Google TV, Apple TV, PlayStation, Xbox, or Chromecast if you have one. This is a simple home solution and does not require opening the TV or doing any risky repair. If the TV app is installed, but the remote navigation is difficult or the app is not behaving properly, use casting or Tubi linking as a backup. Make sure your phone and TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Open Tubi on your phone, tap the cast icon, select your TV or casting device, then choose a video and play it. If Tubi linking is available on your device, use it because it can give a more stable experience than normal casting. At the end, do one final check. Restart the TV, restart the router, update the TV, reinstall Tubi, and test another video one last time. If the app still fails, the issue is likely device support, region availability, a Tubi service issue, or a problem that needs Tubi support. That's it for this video on how to install Tubi on your smart TV and fix common problems like Tubi not showing in the App Store, not installing, not opening, buffering, freezing, activation code issues, or unable to load app errors. I hope this step-by-step guide helps you get Tubi working properly on your TV. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tech tips. Have any questions, or did this method work for you? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your feedback. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.